Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Toyota Tacoma Bluetooth. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, on your mobile device, navigate to your settings and ensure Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable. Next, look at your Tacoma's infotainment screen. You'll want to find and select the Setup button, which is usually located on the main menu. This will get us started on the right path to a seamless connection. Once you're in the Setup menu, locate and tap on the Bluetooth option. From there, you'll see an option to add new device. Select this, and your Tacoma will begin searching for available devices. On your phone, you should see your Tacoma appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Tap on it and confirm any pairing requests or enter the displayed PIN on your phone to finalize the connection. Sometimes, connections don't go perfectly the first time. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your phone and your Tacoma's infotainment system. You can also delete any old or unused Bluetooth profiles from your Tacoma's memory to free up space. Additionally, always ensure your phone's operating system is updated to its latest version, as this can resolve compatibility problems and improve performance. With your phone connected, you can now enjoy hands-free calling and audio streaming. Explore the voice command features for even greater convenience while driving. You can also manage multiple paired devices through the Bluetooth settings, prioritizing which one connects automatically. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.